Gas prices keep rising. Here's the real question. Is switching to an EV actually practical for Filipino drivers? Or is it just hype? What is an electric vehicle? An electric vehicle, or EV, runs purely on electricity using battery and electric motor. No gasoline, no engine oil, no traditional transmission. Unlike hybrid cars, full EVs don't use fuel at all. And yes, more affordable options are entering the Philippine market. Before you buy, the question is, how do you charge an EV in the Philippines? There are three main ways to charge an EV. Number one, home charging. Plug into a wall outlet or install a wall charger. Number two is fast charging. It can charge up to 80% in 30 to 45 minutes. Of course, different brands, different offering on the length of charging. Number three, mall charging stations available in major malls and commercial areas. Here's where it gets interesting. How much does it cost? Electricity cost per kilometer is significantly cheaper than gasoline. A typical EV may cost between 1 peso and 50 cents to 2 pesos and 50 cents per kilometer in electricity. What about gas cars? The estimate is between 6 pesos and 10 pesos per kilometer, depending on fuel prices. It varies. Is EV practical for daily use? Most EVs today offer 300 to 500 kilometers range per charge. Again, different brands, different offering. Some offer longer range and some a little bit shorter range. And it all depends on the prices of the cars or EVs. According to research, average Filipino daily commute is between 20 to 40 kilometers. That means you may only need to charge once or twice a week. What about for long trip? For long trip, planning is required, but fast charging infrastructure is improving yearly. Why more Filipinos are switching to EV? The reasons are obvious. First is, of course, lower fuel cost, coding exemption, smoother and quieter drive, government incentives under EV policies. EV is free of tariff until 2028, a zero tariff. So, future ready technology. What beginners should consider before buying an EV? Well, before you buy an EV, you should check if you have a charging access at home. Is your driving mostly city based? Or are you ready for a higher upfront cost but lower long term expenses? Do you understand battery warranty coverage? These are the questions you know the answers before buying an EV. Electric cars in the Philippines are no longer future tech. They are here and they are practical. And in the coming years, they are becoming mainstream.